guys, Skylar here. I'm going to walk you through quickly just to create a quote. Now this is probably going to be where somebody walks up to you, or maybe you get a message from somebody saying, hey, how much is it going to cost for a so-and-so? Let's do a 4x4. I'm going to go ahead and go in here. If they don't have a requested tote, there's generally two sizes, the 19 3/4 or the 20 3/4. Different stores will carry different sizes, but they mostly come in these two different sizes. Let's go with the HDX. They're pretty popular and pretty sturdy. They want wheels and a top for a 4x4. Go ahead and calculate that build. Right here you're going to get a profit calculator based on the materials used. And if they just want this one, you're going to go ahead and send that quote. Enter in their details. And one interesting part here, if you already know their zip and everything, you really have to get their zip. The foundation of the referral system and everything else is kind of dependent on that zip code. So go ahead, get that zip. Let's throw it in here. Let's do a Elite Storage Systems. So this job, it would be outside of my area. Let's say somebody reached out to me on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, and they're not from my location. I'm going to throw it in here. I'm going to do whatever whoever is covering that area a little bit of a service here. I'm going to take this lead off their hands and pass it their way. So since I generated that for them, I'm going to get a little bit of credit for that, and that's going to be a referral. It's going to come through as a bounty. So I'm going to pass this off to Joe over there in Indiana with Elite Storage Systems, and I'm going to get a 30% of his deposit on this particular one. So I can get a link off of this and send it to the customer via message or however I'm contacting them, or I can shoot it over to their email if they have their email address right there. So you're going to get that sent over, and that's going to give you a bounty potential. Let's go ahead and send it over just for the sake. So there's going to be a bounty right there. Now this is essentially what they're going to see in that quote. Let's go ahead and put this back up there. Like anything else, this is how they get their quotes, and instead it's going to be with Elite Storage Systems. So they're going to go ahead and complete that order basically as if it was with Elite Storage Systems, and he's going to get that order. So great opportunity for people here who are not intending to build, or maybe you are intending to build but you're just getting some random messaging here from people, and you can kick it over to them, make a little bit of passive income and not really do anything. If you have a good social media following and you just want to push these off, you can give your link to whoever you want, which is your standard booking link, and then anytime they go and put in their zip code, whether it's through the 3D configurator or sending them a manual quote like this, you'll actually get a referral for that 30% of the deposit.